line extending from Coughlin to near Patton to Buckhorn, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marble Hill, Patton, Alliance, Sedgwickville, and Cleveland. This includes Interstate 55 between mile markers 125 and 127. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
The contact road, bridge, or fire is tree cover on both sides of the road. Impassable. That's